What's up, guys? From Manila, Philippines. I got Jin with me on this adventure. I know you just saw me come from Tokyo, but now we're in the Philippines, Manila, Philippines. Right now, we're in one of the most famous places that everyone likes to go on the weekends here in Manila, which is BGC, Bonifacio Global City. There's some cool like scooter stuff. I guess they closed off the road and so some cool scooter stuff and like bikes and rollerbladers. And there's that 3D animation TV over there. What I'm doing here today is we are looking for one of our Japanese friends who we haven't seen in 7 years. We're looking for Mr. Yugo Mizuno. And of course the homie Jin Bob is also here. We're gonna go ahead and have some dinner. I just flew in, but I found out Jin was here and we're gonna go ahead and meet up with them and have some cool dinner. I'm not sure where we're going. I know BGC is there's so much like culture pot of foods and types of different restaurants, but yeah, come with me and let's go check it out. So BGC on the weekends is actually one of the best places to be in Manila. Usually they close off the roads here and there's all these food stalls, but I guess they're not doing that right now on this weekend. Not so sure when it happens. I know it's like a Mercato Central Avenue type of food. But yeah, over here we have that 3D billboard. I know there's also one right behind me, as you can see. I'll show you that in an artsy clip right now. There's Minnie and Mickey. And we're here on, I think this is the 4th Street or 8th Street, something like that. And there's the other 3D billboard over there. Just over here is the High Street, just this whole strip just down there, here in the BGC, Bonifacio Global City. So there's the one 3D billboard here that was installed in 2022, I think. And then this one just installed like last year. And as you can see, the road is closed off on the weekends. Usually, like I said, there's a market. But it looks like this whole road right now has all these cool scooters that you could rent. Also, there's some dogs, people hanging out with their dogs, and just people lounging about. This spot in BGC, so when you come to BGC, this spot right here, especially on the weekends, reminds me of kind of like Center Guy, Shibuya Crossing. This is the spot here in Manila, Bonifacio Global City, that is like that. I mean, there's not the millions of people that cross every other whatever, but you have tons of people hanging out. This is kind of like the spot to be on the weekends. Bonifacio Global City. I found these guys. Yeah, Hugo and Jin Bob. Hell yeah. How you been, bro? When was the last time we saw Hugo? The last time I saw this one. 5 years ago. Jen, when did you come? All right, one of the favorite spots here in BGC is called Samyuniku, which is like a Korean samgyeopsal and a gyuniku for like Japanese, and it's unlimited Japanese Korean food over here. That one more for like vlogs. Hey, what's up? You go get bone? Cow. Get bone. The cow. He doesn't care. He's in his own world. Come here. Alright, so this is the menu here at Samyuniku. They got all this stuff. Good deals. And all the meats that they have and toppings. Then on the back there's also more deals, such as set packages and more.
Yeah, this one's good.
Yo. I have been busy cooking Wagyu. This is unlimited Wagyu. Unlimited Wagyu. But we're just like eating, so I haven't been filming. We're catching up with Yugo and Jin Bob. Yeah. That was a big dog. So we just finished dinner and we're just strolling around over here at High Street. I don't know if I'm gonna film, but I enjoy these random sights. Peace. All right, so we just finished hanging out with Jin and Hugo. Shout out to the homies. It's 10 p.m. and this place in Manila, BGC, does not sleep. I'm kind of tired because, you know, jet lag or whatever, but it does not sleep. I'm telling you, people are alive. The shops are still open, but they're slowly closing. Right now we're gonna have some tiger sugar.
You want drinks or you want the ice cream?
We'll try this ice cream. But this is how the drinks look. They're like brown sugar. I'm pretty sure you'll see this wherever you're from if they have it. But they might have different flavors that are only exclusive in Manila. We're gonna go ahead and order this with Jin. See what it is. This is a tiger sugar that looks like it has ice cream called swirlies. And also Manila is pretty hot right now. It's nighttime, but it's kind of hot. The wind is pretty good, but it's kind of hot. So we're gonna get this to cool down a little bit more. And again, it's already 10 p.m. and this thing is alive.
Can I get this one?
We're gonna get
the
this.
brown sugar choco hazelnut. The large one.
So we got some swirly ice cream hazelnut. I don't even know what it's called here at Tiger Sugar. I think we'll have that and then we'll end this vlog. I know this vlog is pretty random. Spent it pretty cool with the homies, catching up and like remembering younger days with Jin and Hugo. Yeah, we're gonna try this out. Tiger Sugar. You had fun with Uncle Hugo and Uncle Jin? All right, I think Jin got to it already. She doesn't look happy. Oh, she is happy. Look at that. That is heavy. Let's go try that out. Go. All right, what you got?
Is the hazelnut something?
Hazelnut swirly.
Yeah.
My Tiger Sugar.
Yeah.
That looks good, especially on a hot day. It also has boba and chocolate flakes and ice cream. Mikhail's really hungry for it.
Yeah.
Oh, he really wants more. Let's go try
Daddy.
this. Oh wow. Wow. There's like a boba. And it's mixed with ice cream. Kind of like my first time having boba ice cream. And the sugar. I think you're supposed to mix it up more so it becomes more sweeter.
Okay.
You try.
Oh, it's good. No, this one will have more caramel now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not caramel. That's hazelnut.
Mama. Ayun ka. Holy shit, this. Look at the brown sugar there.
Mix that up.
Hey, Minyaki.
Yakis. Let me try that. This looks crazy, this one. Wow.
Hello.
It hits the spot really well. Perfect for a hot day here in Manila. Tiger Sugar. Alright. So now we're gonna grab and we're heading home. That's the video. Thank you for watching. Peace. I'm out.